How to create Telegram collectible gift. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through the steps on how you can create Telegram collectible gift. Well, creating a Telegram collectible gift involves purchasing an animated gift using Telegram stars and upgrading it to the blockchain. So find the user you want to send the gift to. Open up Telegram and find the user that you like to send the gift to. Now, once you have selected it, you want to tap on the profile at the top, and once you tap on the profile here at the top, you should be able to find this more option here. You'll be able to see various options. Select send a gift. Now you can from here send the gift here. So this is how you can send the gift here, right? Select a gift and upgrade to. Browse through the available animated gifts before purchasing. You'll see the option to send as collectible. Upgrading the gift uses extra Telegram stars and gives the item unique visual attributes like background color and serial number. You can move the gift to blockchain. So you can also head over to your profile, right? Head into settings, head into your my profile, and from here you should be able to find your gifts as well. If you do have any, you can head into it and select your gifts and view it and craft it as well. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.